Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market for next full week, that means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down key support and resistance zone, trend line zones, and possible buying or selling areas, and we will break down a full roadmap of next week trading. Okay, we will find out some key point like fundamental point. Okay, fundamental points, and number 2 is technical point also. Okay, and number 3 is sentimental. Okay, sentimental point also. Those three key things will help us to find out better interest. Okay, so let's firstly, number 1, let's talk about fundamental thing. Fundamental, if I want to talk about fundamental things like economic calendar, what we can see in economic calendar for next week, we have 2 days. Okay, 2 days major news in next week. Number 1 is Monday. Okay, Monday we have ISM news, so we have to keep a concern on that news. Okay, this is very important news. And number 2, there was one day news, and we don't have other day news. We only have Monday and Friday. Okay, Friday we have unemployment rate. Okay, then non-farm. Okay, non-farm employment change, we do have that. So that is also the NFP, that means very important news, so we have to keep a concern on that news also. And without that, or without that kind of news, we do have some geopolitical issues, that is number 2, like US and Iran, where okay, we have to keep our closely concerned on that thing. And where is running from a long time, like Russia and Ukraine. That's why investor, they are looking for a safe option to invest. That means big investors are trying to find out a safe option, and that is absolutely gold. Okay, and that is also number 3, psychological issues, number 3. Okay, and that is gold, and investor are investing on gold. If investor are investing on gold or invest on gold, gold will go bullish or rise up, or gold will fly more. That is the economic region, or that is the psychological region. Okay, so let's get back into our technical analysis. As per our technical analysis, we always start our analyzing with high time frame, like weekly, monthly. Then we will find out our entry or key zones in daily, H4 or H1. Okay, if I especially want to start with weekly, as per you can see there, we already told that in last week market was with a breakout over there, that means there. Okay, and we got a big breakout from last few weeks or last few days. Okay, and last week candle was closed with bearish momentum, and we already told that we will take a bearish momentum for this week. That means beginning of that week we told that into our analysis, and in that week we will find out our proper key zones or key entries. And if I want to draw a proper support area, okay, like that. Okay, as you can see there, near around 4,000 zone, market is, there is one time pullback, and again. Okay, there is few time. Okay, it just touch this area and fly up, again touch this area, again fly up, again touch this area, again fly up. Okay, and why each and every time that thing happens? Because of this thing, this zone is very important, or very strong zones. That's why gold can break, or sellers can break this particular zones or this particular area. So let's get back into daily time frame. Okay, as per you can see there, in also daily time frame, we got 1 2 3 4 5 time. Okay, if I make it perfect, there is okay, leave it, there is total 5 time touch of this support area. Okay, support area, and go for H4 to find out proper entry or key areas or key zones. Okay, so as per you can see there, if I want to draw another channel over here, okay, that's perfect. We can see in H4 there is a breakout, again trying to get a pullback, again trying to go up and down, and market most likely create a pattern over there. Okay, in that particular area. So what you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we can do for next week? Okay, for next week we can do a few things over there. Number 1 is, let me draw the possible scenarios over there. Okay, as per you can see there, number 1, okay, we are talking about number 1. Market will drop till that particular area, again it will fly up, because that particular zone or that particular area is very important for gold. So either if it have to give us a bearish breakout, otherwise it has to give us a bullish breakout from this particular zone or area, then we can consider market will fly up or down. So let me discuss the possible zone. Number 1, it will go there, and with the bullish confirmation it will go up, then we can consider buy entry. Otherwise, if it gives us a breakout, then we can continue selling. Okay, and number 2 possible scenario over there can be, let's make it like that. Okay, market will go up till that particular area, then with a buy confirmation it will give us a breakout, then pull back, then again buy. Otherwise, with the sell confirmation it can go down from there. So we have to wait each and every particular zones. Okay, otherwise we can't take any entry, or I can say you can buy here, you can sell here. Okay, and number 2 scenario, there is number 1 scenario and number 2 scenario. What we can do for number 2 scenario, as per you can see there is a pattern. If I want to make it more perfect, as per you can see there, we can consider that thing as fake breakout. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 time. Okay, 6 time confirmation, and we can consider that area as a confirmation area. That means market will go down till that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry based on candle confirmation, then we can close we can take our target like that particular area. Okay, so that can be happens in that zone or in that particular area, but we have to wait closely the fundamental factors, the technical factors. Otherwise we can't say you can buy here, you can see here. I just have to wait for market open. Okay, and one more thing you have to consider while you are trading, that is risk to reward management. That means 1:3. We always maintain our risk to reward ratio 1:3. That means if you want to take 50 pips SL, you have to consider 150 pips TP. Okay, if you want to consider 100 pips SL, you have to consider 300 pips TP. Okay, that is the thing. And if you want to take entry over there, like suppose this is your entry zone. Okay, entry zone, your take profit target will be that particular area, that is TP zone. Okay, TP zone, I'm sorry, that is TP zone, and 3 of 1 will be your SL area, like that particular area will be your SL, or below this line will be your SL. That means there is 500 SL, suppose 500 pips SL and 1500 pips TP. That is the thing that we are following strongly. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or feature analysis, or if you have any question about this analysis, you may ask our admin on Telegram. So link in the video description box. And we are also sharing a lot of things into our public Telegram channel, like signal analysis, entry, and fundamental things. So you may join there. That is completely free. And if you have more query about our services, you may visit our website www.fxbillionaireHub.com. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.